Welcome, Brennan here from Hopnel to discuss another brand new item fitting the Show Chrome Accessories Armrest. This armrest pouch is 7 inches by 6 inches by 2 inches and allows you quick and easy access to anything you would like to carry with you on the road. It also features a marine grade vinyl with a water resistant flap and a secure zipper to secure contents inside your pouch. This pouch is also a quick detach, so you can take the pouch and its contents with you. This weather-resistant pouch is sewn right here in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. If you have any further questions, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.